TEFL teachers, I'm sure you're a good teacher. I'm sure you're a good driver. So let's talk about teaching as if you're driving a car, yeah? You might be a really good driver, but if you don't have your route planned out, if you don't know where you're going, you could be the best driver in the world, but you're not going to get anywhere. So that analogy applies to teaching, right? I have worked with some fantastic teachers. I've also worked with some, what I would consider quite lazy teachers. They start thinking that they can just walk into a class and just pull it out of their arse. That's a poem. Walk into a class and pull it out of your arse. Not a good plan. In fact, that means no plan. So I want to talk about my teaching materials, the teaching materials that I have built and developed and updated and lovingly created over many years. If you're a good driver, if you're a good teacher, and you want me to work out the route, check my website. I'm telling you, check my website. I have created some brilliant PowerPoint lessons that will guide you all the way to success. I love them. I use them myself all the time. I absolutely guarantee that your students will have a fantastic time, either online or in class. In class, these lessons are highly engaging and interactive. It gets the kids up to the board, interacting with the language, interacting with the vocabulary. Same online. They can use their electric pen, draw lines, underline, circle. Lots of fun. There's actually a free lesson in my shop. So you can go directly to my shop in the links below, or go to my website and click on one of the links and you'll see the materials. You'll see the free transport lesson. Give it a try. It's free. I can't do any more than give it to you for free. And once you use it, there's no turning back, I'm telling you. This lesson follows the lesson flow. Now that's an ebook I wrote. It's called The Lesson Flow. I've been teaching here in Thailand for 21 years, actually 21 and 3/4 years, teaching, recruiting, training teachers, and I have developed a system called The Lesson Flow. Check the book out. Actually, a really good idea, other than getting the free lesson, I've got a lesson bundle. It's 21 fully animated, beautiful PowerPoint lessons for $39, and you get a free copy of my book. What have I got to do? That's a good deal, right? So, going back to my analogy, being a good driver, being a good teacher, you need a route, you need a plan. I've done it for you. You literally plug in my lessons in a computer in a cafe, in an online class, in a classroom full of kids. Plug it in and it's ready to go. Every click of your mouse will take you on a journey right through to the end of the lesson. There are so many amazing fun activities. I have put a lot of love into these materials and I really want to encourage you to have a look. So please check it out. Check out my other videos too. I've been teaching here in Thailand for, like I said, nearly 22 years, and I've got a lot of teaching tips. There's also the story of my TEFL life, which is nearly completed. It's up to part 16. But I also do personal coaching. If you're looking for inspiration, help with your resume, just an hour to talk to me about what's possible. Maybe you don't have a degree, but you want to know, can I still come to Thailand? Talk to me. I can tell you your options. Don't go onto Facebook and ask questions. They're just going to ruin your day. They're sitting there, little trolls, waiting to spoil it for you. Miserable, unhappy people who won't be successful, but you can be, and I can tell you how. So check it out, teachers. I'm excited. Leave a comment below. Tell me about your teaching materials. But I urge you to check mine out. Check my ebook. And like I said, the bundle has everything in it. I've also created a TEFL template PowerPoint. So you can actually download it. It's $9.99. It's not expensive. And you can create as many classes as you want. All the animations are done for you. You just have to right click, change picture, and type in the words. The lesson flows already. You just put in the material. So if you don't want to use my materials that are already built, I've built one that you can build yourself. All right, guys, thank you for listening. Please do get in touch, and I'll see you in the next video. Please like, share, subscribe. All the best. Take care. Boom.